Did you know that you can check for updates on your Galaxy Watch 6 right from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? You don't need the wearable app or a computer. It's hidden inside the device care menu. Let me show you how to do it in a few quick steps. First, head into Settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostics. Tap Watch Diagnostics. Now, tap Check for Update to start checking it. If an update is available, you will see it here. If not, it will say that all software is up to date. That's it. It's super simple. Why is this useful? Because update keep your Galaxy Watch 6 running smoothly, fix bugs, and add new features. Instead of waiting for your watch to notify you, you can check anytime you want right from your phone. Easy, fast, and always in your control with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.